Hi, welcome to this Number Fun Assembly. My name's Dave Godfrey and we're going to have loads of fun exploring standing on the shoulders of giants. In fact, just getting the pig. That was Sir Isaac Newton's phrase, wasn't it? That famous mathematician. He said that he stood on other people's shoulders. Everyone else helped him, so he stood on their shoulders. It was his way of being humble. I've got 3 rapid recall questions for you right now. Question 1. Which day of the year was Sir Isaac Newton born in 1642? 10 seconds, go! Oh, you were right. It was Christmas Day, wasn't it? Second question. What was Sir Isaac Newton really famous for? Go! Oh, you're right. He was famous for loads of mathematics and science, wasn't he? Things like the telescope. He invented the practical reflecting telescope. He did work on gravity, loads of light and colour. He talked about tides and about space. He was an amazing mathematician. Question number 3. In last assembly, in the last one, we played a game show called Shine. And in that we had one question that told us how long it takes light to get to our planet from our star, which is the sun. So how long does it take light to go from the sun to the planet Earth? 10 seconds, go! Oh, you're right. It was about 8 minutes. My goodness me. That's just a little bit longer than this video. Right, well, I've got a song for you. Now, this song is called On the Shoulders of Giants. The first verse is about Sir Isaac Newton, and the second verse is about you and me. So the first verse goes like this. There once was a famous mathematician, Sir Isaac Newton, his name, that's like his big wig. He worked on gravity, the telescope, light and colour, global was his fame. He said, I stand on the shoulders of giants, a place of discovery. Because of those who held him high, humble he would be. And then the second verse is about you and me, because we're not famous mathematicians. And it goes like this. I'm not a famous mathematician. The world doesn't know my name. I work on numbers, measuring shape and money, but I want to do the same. The chorus goes like this. I want to stand on the shoulders of giants, a place of discovery. Because of those who hold me high, humble I will be. So those are the actions. I'd love you to join in with me as best as you can. So here we go. Need your piano.
There once was a famous mathematician, Sir Isaac Newton his name. He worked on gravity, the telescope, light and colour, global was his fame. He said, I stand on the shoulders of giants, a place of discovery. Because of those who held him high, humble he would be.
I'm not a famous mathematician, the world doesn't know my name. I work on numbers, measuring shape and money, but I want to do the same.
I want to stand on the shoulders of giants, a place of discovery. Because of those who hold me high, humble
Oh, well done for joining in. That's fab. Okay, here's a question for you at the end of our assembly. You know, Sir Isaac Newton said that he stood on the shoulders of giants. Well, there were some really helpful people that helped him with his mathematics. I wonder, who can you help today or this week or next week? Maybe with their maths or with something else. Can you be the sort of person that somebody else can stand on, if you like? So, who can you help with their learning in this coming week? Pause the video and have a chat about that. I wonder who you can help this week. It might be the person you're sitting next to. It might be another friend. It might be your brother or your sister. Or maybe someone else at home. Well, I encourage you to be that person that other people can rely on and you can help them. I'd love you to join me with some more Number Fun assemblies coming your way very soon. I'll see you again soon. Bye!